welcome back. Today I'm here with Hermosa hair. It's a different packaging than usual. Well, different color. Usually I'm used to a pink bag, but today we got our wig in a purple bag. Alright, and it's branded. So let's get into it. I'm seeing my wig. Also in this package today, I got this elastic headband branded Hermosa. I got a pair of wig caps. This is 2HD invisible wig caps. Very excited about getting those always. Oh, and I got some lashes, two pairs of lashes, and this is branded from Hermosa. You know, so these are some 3D lashes that I got. I'm so excited to get these. The styles are really pretty. So I love that, and that's everything that came in the package. For today's wig, oh my gosh, we got this gorgeous deep wave pre-cut lace closure wig. All right, this is a 7x5. A 7x5. You notice how wide this is? So yeah, it's definitely a little different from some of the others in terms of sizing. It's way bigger, and I love that. You can have a definite lace frontal look, but with a closure wig once you know you have enough space in with your closure. Also, it comes pre-cut. You won't have to go in and cut off any lace, you know, especially if your hand isn't straight and you're not sure what to do and it's your first time. If you're a beginner, you know, a wig like this is great. So look at this curl pattern, wave pattern rather, is so pretty. I love a good deep wave wig. Also the lace, it's pre-cut in a way where it's kind of like zigzag, so you know that's perfect, and it is a glueless wig, of course. So let's get into the construction of this wig. So it doesn't have any combs on the inside. It's just a normal like dome cap construction. This is how it looks. This is how most of these glueless wigs are made, and you know it's perfectly fine. Inside of the wig, you know, there isn't any like adjustable straps in the back, but it did come with a adjustable like elastic band that you can attach on the inside of the cap here. So there are loops here. Are you seeing that? Yeah, inside of the cap that you can go ahead and attach your band, and this will help to keep the wig very snugged on your head. This piece is very important, at least on me. It really helps to keep the wig in place, and you know, so that everything can look really good. So this is usually how I slip my wig on. I just use this piece here, and you can adjust it so it's as tight or as loose as you want it to be, and that will determine how snugged it is on your head. Alright, this will also help with how much the lace portion hugs your hairline. So I'm going to use this piece and slip it on over my head. And I slip it on. And based on where I place my straps in the loops, it's very snugged. Very snug. Do you see that? It's so snugged on my head. So you don't have to worry about security. That one band is good enough in terms of keeping it very snugged on your head. Oh, and this is very full and nice. It feels very soft. These are usually with this curl pattern, I don't really always want to go ahead and give it a wet look because the waves are a little bigger and it's so nice and defined. I really love the pattern of how it looks. So yeah, before we even jump onto that though, I'm so excited. I'm already talking about the hair. Let's look at the closure portion, right? So you could go ahead, you don't need any baby hairs for this or anything. You just need to, like, you know, make sure that you finesse the hairline portion to your liking at least, you know. So if you just want a really nice sleek pull back vibe, then you can work on that. All I'm going to do really is use my hot comb and some of my wax, hair wax, to kind of just give it that pull back vibe. And yeah, because now, you know, because it was in the packaging, it's kind of like laying like that, and I want it to be like away from my face. So that's all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take my hot comb and work on that with some of my wax stick.
Denim jeans, broken dreams in my pocket. Golden thing round my neck like a locket.
Alright, so I know you can see that there's a little bit of cast. So what you could do is you could take some of your makeup. Usually I take my lifting spray, but today I want to switch it up because I've been using my lifting spray a lot to demonstrate to you guys that you can use it to camouflage the lace. But I'll use some of my makeup just to simplify things for all of those who don't necessarily have any lifting spray, and show you how to kind of like eliminate that casty look. And I just gently tap that on the lace portion. Just take your time. Try to not be too messy. If you know, I'm using more of like a detailed brush for this. That eliminated the casty look so easily. So I feel like I want to have the top flatter here, so I'm gonna go over that area with my hot comb.
Got your name in my mind, 'cause you caught it. You caught it. You're golden, golden, honestly, you know it.
No baby hair, no nothing. And you see how gorgeous these curls are. Yeah, look at that. No glue, no spray, no nothing. And if you choose to go ahead and add a little spray, a little glue, that's totally up to you. I just want to show you guys that you don't have to. If you don't want to, you don't have to apply any product to the wig in order to make it stay or look good. You really don't. It's very beginner friendly, and I'm just running my hand through it because I'm just loving that big voluminous wavy vibe. It is really pretty. Let me know what you guys think. Hermosa did their thing. They really did. Could go ahead and shape it up if you feel like you need to at the ends. Throughout the wig, it's very soft. Minimal shedding. I am getting minimal shedding, so you can bear that in mind. It's really not a lot. It's like one strand at a time, you know. And you know, with curly textures / wavy textures, you need to, like, if you're gonna wear it consistently, like, you need to ensure that you're detangling it, because if you don't, it will get matted over time and really hard to detangle, so you don't want that. But yeah, that's it. I told you, this is really quick. It's very simple, very easy, throw on and go kind of vibe, because once you have done that initial install and you kind of fix the lace, you don't need to do that each time you slip the wig on. That's if you're going to be taking it off right after that first wear, you know. You don't have to be doing that each time. So it's like a 1-2 minute kind of finesse. It's really to the point. So let me know if I'm making you guys' lives easier, because I really do be trying with these wigs. But yeah, I'm going to be sure to put the link to this wig down in my description box, as well as all the specifications, so please go ahead, check it out. Shout out to Hermosa here for another gorgeous wig, and I just know they're gonna give me bomb wigs, okay? And I just know they've been doing their thing, so I'm loving it. I'm really and truly loving it. Summer is coming. This is one of those, you know, textures that are perfect for summertime. You don't have time to be curling hair, straightening hair every minute of the day. It's really easy to kind of just finesse and go. So there you have it. That's it for today's wig video, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, and don't forget to go ahead and subscribe, like this video, share this video. Very much appreciative. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Under the street light at the young, so I could show you you're golden, golden, honestly you're glowing. Under the mezzanine just so that I could show